Hey guys, Ralph here, and today we're going to change the plate light on my 2023 Toyota Highlander. Here is our plate light. So if you notice, there's a small hole here. That's where we're going to pop it open on the left side. And on the other side, there's also a small here on the right side. We're going to use a flat instrument to pop it open, or something like small, like this small screwdriver. It took me a while just to pop this open, but I went to use a prying tool instead of that small screwdriver. And as you can see, it's already open like that. Just be careful not to break anything on it since it's just plastic. So here's the first bulb, and just pull the light bulb out. Now we're going to install this T10 light bulb from last fit. As you can see, it looks nice and it's working. Next is to put back this plastic cover for the light bulb. Then push it back to its place. Then you're gonna hear that click, and that means that should be good. Last step is to put back this plastic piece to cover and to protect the light bulb from dust. Here you go. And it's the same process for the other light. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.